Take a deep breath inside profile. Take a deep breath in and deep breath in, deep breath.
Oh my gosh.
Deep breath in and deep breath in and. Alright, take a deep breath in and.
My friends sent me this video as well, and they'll ask me that it's very funny, but I don't think it's funny. Yeah, that's what I would say as well. I ask my patient, instruct my patients to like breathe in and breathe out, but this is exaggerated. You can see the bones are broken, fractured, and that's not what we do. What we do is more safe, more gentle, and comfortable for sure. For Gonstead Chiropractor, what we do is we look at your x-rays, and then we want to address what's the root cause, and it's customized individually. So we don't do like general pulling and stretching and like fracturing the spine. That's not what we do.